Hi, my name is Dave Williams. I'm an independent IT consultant, currently unemployed, and have been seeking work basically through various agency sites, but particularly through www.gov.uk. And I thought that I would look on YouTube and see if there's any advisory videos for those that perhaps learn easier through video about how to actually access the gov.uk site for finding a job. I didn't find one particularly educational on there, and so decided that perhaps if I can show people how to get onto the Jobsearch site, that may well help people to find jobs in the future. Now, this is particular as the government are announcing that fairly soon that they will be expecting people to sign on once a week, job search for 40 hours a week, and that you are expected to go through the job search government provided job search pages to seek for your work. And what it does is it can inform the advisors, and it can inform anybody else who wants to investigate whether you're actively seeking work by them interrogating what you've been browsing through. You have to agree to allow for your advisor to actually see what you're doing. To be honest, if you refuse, then you have to have a good reason why you won't be allowing them to see what you have been doing. To start with, you need to go to the www.gov.uk site. Once you find that site on the internet, and you find this tab here, finding a job, and you click on that, and then you'll find a job with Universal Job Match. Universal Job Match being their job seekers tool, and you click on Universal Job Match. Now here you have one or two things to do. Firstly, you are going to have to register with Universal Job Match if you are actively seeking work. And to do so, you must click on this option. What that does is that actually allows you to create a government gateway account, and you will require an email address for that. So you need to create an email address, and you can create an email address if you haven't got one with Google. Very easily, that Google start up with an option. I'm signed in here at the moment, but you can set up an account, and that will create a Gmail email, and you can use that to register with the Universal Job Match. There are other help things here that Universal Job Match, or you can email them to say you don't understand. In the other way, they don't actually provide you help with using the site itself. Anyway, once you get in there, you can either register and then use your login details to actually log into the site. Now, I've already logged into this site, and you can see that this is the first page that actually comes up. If we go back again, you can use this tool in a slightly different way, in as much as you can go to the home page and search straight from there without actually registering and logging in. In the end, if you want to apply for any jobs, you will need to have an account, and this is the page that you actually come to. And here we have home, profile, CV, jobs, messages, application history, activity history, help, which is a pop-up window that basically describes various things You can search the UK, Europe and internationally. Job titles, particular job titles if you've got anything in mind, skills or keywords that you have or that you're specifically looking for, and any city, county, postcode, that sort of thing is here. Now you can also browse jobs in another way, which is by region, or by companies, industry, by what country, the job category, the job type. I'm in the southeast, just to give an example. We'll click on the southeast here, and here you have a whole list of results from the south and the southeast, detailing every job that's listed. Normally the latest first, but if you just want today's jobs, you just click on today, and there they all are. They're the 1st of July, and these are all the jobs in the south. If you want to be more specific than that, you can put in a local town, local to you, call it Eastbourne Southern, and these are the jobs that are within 20 miles from Eastbourne today, and you can see what they are there. Now once you've actually get to this point, you're going to be looking at the job itself. Now you haven't mentioned a keyword, so if we put in reception and search, let's see what actually comes up. Only one job for a receptionist in Brighton, and if you click on that, you get some details of what that is. Now you will see this aspect here. Tell us why you did not wish to apply for this job. And here you have options. Doesn't match my interests, isn't my desired industry, doesn't match my skills, job is below salary requirements, doesn't match my career level, too far away from home, I've already applied for this job, I'm not interested at this time. At some point your job advisor will be expecting you to detail why you haven't applied for various jobs, and they may well select jobs over a period of time and ask you to look into them. They will ask for a reason why you did not apply for that job. They can save you jobs using this little blue dot. You can save your own jobs using this star here, and to save a job pretty much is clicking on save. If you want to continue going through things with me, then basically I will stop this video now, and we'll go through from Word from the start in your profile.